Do you need to replace the motherboard on your Inspiron 155510? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the link on the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including step-by-step written tutorials with detailed images. And now let's get into it. Okay, real quick, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap as well as an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now pry apart and remove the bottom base cover. Now peel back the adhesive cover and disconnect the battery cable. If you have a 4-cell battery, just unscrew and remove it. However, if you have a 3-cell battery, the process is the same, only there's one less screw than the 4-cell battery. If your laptop has been configured with a 2280 solid-state drive, it can be found in slot number 1. Just unscrew and remove it. Or if your laptop has been configured with a 2230 solid-state drive, they can be found in either slot 1 or slot 2, and the process is the same. Now unscrew and remove the Wi-Fi bracket. Then disconnect the antenna cables. And now slide out the Wi-Fi card. Now disconnect the cooling fan cable. Next, unscrew and remove the cooling fan. Now unscrew and lift open the right LCD hinge. Then peel back the adhesive covering the DC jack cable. Next, disconnect the DC jack cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the keyboard cables. Next, unclip the locking tab and disconnect the touchpad cable. Then disconnect the speaker cable. Now peel back the adhesive covering the input-output board cable. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the input-output board cable from the motherboard. Then peel back the adhesive covering the LCD cable. Then unclip the locking tab and disconnect the LCD cable. Then unscrew and remove the heatsink. Now remove the motherboard. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your processors and heatsink. And for maximum cooling, do not touch these heat transfer areas. The oils in your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the processor before replacing your heatsink. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.